Having a preventative maintenance is very important. Here at United Heating and Cooling, we have 4,500 maintenance customers that come back to us year after year that find it very beneficial to make sure that their unit is ready for that year. A preventative maintenance agreement is when we come out to the home and make sure that the equipment is running to manufacturer specifications to prevent any expensive repairs in the future. We come out annually. We check the entirety of the system, the furnace, the air conditioner, any accessories that you might have, humidifiers, dehumidifiers, wine coolers. Everybody will take care of their vehicles. You're doing oil changes, you're doing everything that you can to ensure the longevity of your vehicle. It's the same thing for your heating and cooling system. It's running 24/7. It has hundreds and hundreds of thousands of miles on that system. The price of a preventative maintenance is a fraction of the cost of a service call in the summertime or the wintertime where you need your heating and cooling equipment the most. As a planned maintenance customer, you'll have the option to have an annual payment or a small monthly payment. You will also have a 15% parts and labor discount and ensures that you'll have priority service with United Heating and Cooling in the time of need.